cooler for bait.
Fighting it.
I broke the pole already. Breaking motorcycles, breaking fishing poles, tangling lines. Brian's fighting. He's fighting. He's got one. It's huge, Brian. I got it on video. Woo!
Alright, I caught a fish.
High hook, baby. High hook.
Wow. That's awesome.
Woo! I think I got 8 hours of video left here.
Trolling. Haven't caught anything trolling. How's it going? Well, I caught my first deep sea fish rig, so that's a success. They were small, but at least mine didn't get eaten by a sea lion. Mine got eaten by a sea lion